Hey guys, it's Krista here with Blooms and Brushstrokes, and I just received a Amazon package that I had ordered last week, and I'm very excited to share with you guys what I got. This is just going to be a quick little unboxing kind of thing. So I did order these off Amazon. I will link them in my video so that you guys can, if you're interested in getting them, then you can get them as well. Anyway, to start with, we're going to start with this first box here. In this box is cards, watercolor. Oh, these are kind of interesting. They're kind of like postcards, but they're just like one-sided. And so I thought they were cards, but anyways, you just never know sometimes when you get them off Amazon. They're cards, postcard type deals, and they come with, okay, this is also interesting. They come with the envelope. So that's cool. Why did I get these? So, and there's, I think 50 in here. Yeah, 50 pack of 5x7 watercolor cards. They look like they're going to be decent. So I ordered these because I've had so many people asking for cards. It's crazy. I had no idea. So my goal is to paint a lot of cards over the next little bit. So you guys will come along for the ride with me on that. And then I plan to take photos of them and get prints made, so then I can do packages of Christmas cards, florals, whatever. So I would love to be able to do 3 different packages. My cat's hanging out. 3 different packages of Christmas ones of say 6 in each. So like 18 different cards. That might be ambitious of me, but it would be nice to have, you know, do packages of 6 and then have a variety. So it'd be 18 pictures altogether. This is my goal. I feel if I'm telling you guys this, it's going to help me get there faster, because people say to me, what do you do with all your paintings? And the reality is that I am trying to keep them right now so that I can make prints of them. But I'm trying to stockpile so that I have a lot of them. And then I can maybe open up a little Shopify store or something along those lines. So I haven't quite figured that all out. I need to wrap my head around that a little bit more, but that's kind of my goal. So the cards, I want to be able to do loads of cards over the next little bit. And that's why I got these. I think they'll be perfect for what I'm doing them for, because I will be taking photos of them and then making prints of them. And then I will do some custom made cards if people want them. Maybe. Like if somebody said to me, hey, Krista, I'd love a set of 6 Christmas cards. I don't care what you do. Then fine, I would be all over that. I don't love doing commission work. That's just not something I'm interested in doing, because I don't want to lose my love for painting. So that's number 1 on the list of things. We'll go with number 2 is this Stonehenge block. This is a 7x7 Stonehenge block. The first block I ever got was a gift from somebody, and it changed my life when it came to watercolor painting. I love working with the block, and I really truly love the Stonehenge paper. So I was very thankful for that as a gift, and I wanted to get a few different sizes just to have some different sizes to work with. So I've got this 7x7 block, which I'm pumped about, and then this is what I previously had. Oh yeah, and then there is 15 sheets in here. So that'll be kind of a fun one to do some quick little florals on. And then I've got this here, 9x12. This was what my friend had originally given me as a gift, and I loved it, and I loved the size of it as well. This is 10 pages. It's so lovely. I did really truly love it. So I got those as well. And the last thing that I got, which I'm very excited about, is this gold leaf kit. So I've been wanting to experiment with a little bit of gold leaf in some of my paintings, because as you know, I like to use my metallic gold ink. I'm going to find some metallic watercolor paints. I haven't gotten any suggestions from anybody on what they suggest. So I've still been hoping for some, but anyways, I'm still going to keep looking around for those and reading reviews and stuff. And so here is this little kit. I've never used this stuff before. So this is the adhesive water base. Okay, great. What is this? Oh, this is a varnish. Top coat. Okay, interesting. I'm not sure that's something that I would need for my watercolor paints, but we got her in case. And then these are a little gold leaf. Let's open them up. This is our gold leaf. Holy, these are really delicate. Okay, so we've got, silver. I do believe this came with the silver and the gold. I'm praying because, so that's really just fragile, very dainty. That'll be great. Oh gosh. Okay, well, I already got that one bent up. That's okay. There's, yeah, 2 colors. So there's the silver and the gold. 100 sheets all together. And so this is just a starter kit, which is great because who knows if I'm going to even like it. Oh, there's that beautiful gold. So that's very exciting. I mean, I like the silver too. That could really be beautiful in some of my paintings as well. I have no idea how I'm going to use it, but I'm excited. So I'm thinking tonight, once I'm done doing my meal prep for the week, I'm actually just going to go for it and try out a little painting and then try putting some down. Why not? Best way to learn how to do something is just get right into it, you know? Okay, so that is what I got from Amazon. I do want to give my 2 cents about shopping on Amazon because I feel I have a guilty complex because there's an art store in the city that's close to me. They come with tweezers and some brushes as well. I should say that. And then some gloves. I think fingerprints will be a thing that we'll have to be very mindful of. Anyway, so back to what I was saying about the art store. There is an art store in the city that's closest to me. I rarely get to the city. And if I do get to the city, it's usually for an appointment. And I'm just like running in and running back home. So it's no excuse, and definitely we should all support our local shops. I am a small business owner. I desperately need people to support my business. Otherwise, I wouldn't have a business. So it's very important. So if you have the ability to get to an art store, go there and shop there. Most things are very comparable, if not even cheaper than what you can get them on at Amazon. So that's one thing to really keep in mind for when you're doing your shopping, is that sometimes the art supplies on Amazon are not always the price, or they are not cheaper than what you can get in your own local stores. So it's very important to shop locally. I just do not get there. And I've been trying to get myself to the art store, and it just has not happened. I have not had the time to go there. It is not even in a convenient area of this city for me to get to. So it's like on the opposite end of town. So I would go from where I live rural. I get into the town on the north end. It is all the way on the east side, and it's in an awkward place on the east side. So I just never, ever get there. I've been trying. The reality is I'm out of paper. I'm out of paper that's block paper, and I really wanted it. And also the other thing too, the cards, I wanted to start working on those, and then the gold leaf. So I was putting an order in, so that's why I ordered from there. I definitely hope to get to Black Dog here soon. I think life should be starting to be a little bit more mellow, and I should be able to get myself there, and then I will buy some new paintbrushes. Perhaps I might be able to find some metallic ink or metallic paint there, or ink or something. But that's my goal, is to get there. So I don't always shop on Amazon, though with my art supplies, it seems like I do, just because it is so horrendously inconvenient for me, being that I live rural. If I lived in Regina and I lived there all the time, I would never shop on Amazon. But because I am rural, you know, the cost of fuel, I can't just rip to Regina to go get a paintbrush. It's it doesn't make sense, like financially, time-wise, like it just doesn't make sense. So thankfully, Amazon does have its place in my life for sure. And I'm 100% a user of Amazon, but I just don't want us to forget to use our local businesses and to shop locally. So if you can, do that. And price compare too, because I know that in life things are expensive. And so do your price checking and see. And if you can get something a little bit more inexpensive on Amazon, well, I understand, go for it. And if you can get it more economical at your art store, get it there, shop there. These people are hardworking business owners. They need your support. So that's my 2 cents about that. But I am an Amazon shopper because for my life, being that I live rurally, I'm not in a city center, it is the only way I can get some supplies at times that I need them. So, and I know that I can order off art stores. The only problem is sometimes it doesn't make sense with the cost of shipping. The cost of shipping can be as much as what you're buying. Like shipping is not an economical way to get stuff. So of course you have a Prime membership, then you get free shipping. So you guys, that's going to do it for me for my little unboxing. I will put the prices and everything in the description because I can't remember them off the top of my head, but I will link everything in there. And then if there's something that you want to try, then you have access to it. And yeah, that's going to do it for me, you guys. So if you like the little unboxing, give me a thumbs up and I can do more of those when I get them, when I get new supplies. If you don't like it, that's cool. You can give me a thumbs down too. But if you do, just tell me what you didn't like. And if you haven't subscribed, please give me a subscribe so that you don't miss any of our fun videos that we're going to be doing. And yeah, I think if I have time tonight, I'm going to do a little short probably of a little painting, and then I'll try to use the gold leaf. So that'll be fun. And then if it works out well, I'll do a tutorial. So we'll check you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching.